Always back up your ZTE or Android phone to avoid losing important data. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy methods to back up and restore your ZTE device. Way 1. Complete ZTE Backup and Restore with USB. Connect your ZTE to the computer via USB and select USB Mass Storage. Your ZTE will appear as a removable disk on your computer. Open the ZTE storage and copy the files to your computer. Way 2. Backup and restore ZTE on computer via ZTE Backup and Restore one-click way. I prefer efficient methods for ZTE Backup. Mobican Backup Manager for Android reliably backs up all data, contacts, messages, photos, apps with one click, and restoring is easy. Step 1. Launch the tool and connect your ZTE phone. Launch the installed Android Backup and Restore program and connect your ZTE device to your computer using a USB cable. The software starts detecting the phone and you can see the following screenshot of the program interface. Step 2. Backup ZTE data to computer. On the main interface, choose Backup to enter the data backup window. You only need to check the file type you want to back up, and then click Backup. Then this software will start to back up all selected data from ZTE to the computer. Step 3. Restore data from backup to ZTE. To restore data from the backup file to your ZTE device, you should choose Restore from the main interface to enter the data restoration window. Tick off the file types you want to restore and click Restore. Way 3. Backup and restore ZTE data via ZTE File Manager. Mobican Assistant for Android is another powerful Android data transfer and manager tool, which can not only back up and restore ZTE phones simply, but also can manage ZTE data on computer directly. Step 1. Connect your ZTE phone to the computer, where you have installed the Assistant for Android. Launch the program and it will detect your ZTE device and require you to enable USB debugging on your device. Just follow the prompts on the main screen to make your phone be recognized by the program. Step 2. Tap on Super Toolkit on the top menu and you will enter the one-click backup and restore function. Back up your ZTE data to computer. Tap on Backup and choose the content you wish to back up. Then, specify an output folder on your computer and click Backup to begin the process of backing up ZTE phone data to computer. Restore data to ZTE device. Tap on Restore and tick the files you wish to restore to your ZTE phone. Click on the Restore button and the restoration process will be initiated immediately. Way 4. Backup and restore ZTE Axon with Google account. Step 1. Go to Settings app on your ZTE phone and choose Backup and Reset from the screen. Step 2. Here, you will find the option of Backup My Data. Just toggle it on. Step 3. When you need to restore data from your Google account to your ZTE phone, you should go back to the Back and Reset page to check the Google account, which is associated in Backup account. Step 4. Turn on Automatic Restore to restore settings and data.